guys, welcome back to my channel, Aesthetics with me. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this cafe theme because a lot of you wanted a cafe theme tutorial because that's a trend on TikTok now. So yeah, I guess let's get started. Yeah, okay. So the first thing you do is the coloring. So let's do this. So you import your video. Okay. And then, I don't know why, but it just refreshes it for me. My video for me, I don't know why. Okay, so you go into adjust, then you put the exposure to -100, and you put the contrast to -100, highlights to -100, and shadows to -100. Then you put saturation to -20, and then you can add however much blur you want. I usually do 100. And then you export it to your camera roll. Yay! Then you go into ultralight, and you click on edit, and you go on this little thing where all these circles are, rainbow circles, and you put all of them all the way down, except except for the pink one. You just leave it where it is, and then you save it. Modify. Okay, so that's done. Now you go into the app font, and you load new video. Reasons that. And the first font, you're gonna use is garlic salt. So you're gonna click the circle, style, and you're gonna make it gray. So you're gonna make it the lightest gray, or you can even choose brown, because a lot of people use brown as well. But I prefer gray because the coloring is gray. Then you just duplicate it, or you can just add another circle, and you make it a gray, and you also make it a gray. But this time it's gonna be a shade darker than the previous one. Then you just add a shadow to both of them. And of course, this also have to do that. Okay, there you go. You have your little shadow thingy. Then you write new. You can write new, and you make this white. Oh yeah, the font is, hold up, it's not this. It's Mermaid Hands, or I think that's what it's called. Something mermaid. It's called Mermaid Bold, and you make it white. New, and then theme. And the font for this is, where did it go? Eternal Amsterdam. Yes, very nice, very cool, very fancy. Then you also add a shadow to both of these. New theme. Then what do? Okay. Then you go onto the font Coffee. What's it called again? Hold up. It's called Coffee Icons. And you can just pick any of the symbols, but I like this coffee machine thing. And you make it black. You don't have to. You can make it brown or any color. But I just like black. Then you write your username, which mine is Outlets. Hold up. Where's the font? And the font for this is Christmas Gift. No, it isn't. Is it? No. I forgot which one it was. So you can use any font. Honestly, I'll just use Christmas Gift. Christmas Gift Outlet Ray. You just write your username. And then you just make it smaller. Actually, hold up. I don't like this font. No, I don't like that either. So just, okay. Then what you do is you write your here is my new cafe theme. Cafe theme. Oops. Can't do it. Okay, and the font for this is Cream Demo. No, it isn't. It is this it? Yes, it's Miss Kindy. Miss Kindy? Chunky? No, it's not this. Yes, it is Cream. Never mind, it is Cream. You can use any fonts. You don't have to use the font I'm using. But like, yeah. And then you go into the font Garlic Salt and you write the number 7. And then you can just adjust the spacing. You can also like make this line by a bunch of underscores. There you go, cafe theme. And then you can just write like, hold up. Do you like it? Wow, that text is small, but it's fine. Yes. Okay, and the font for this is Miss Kindy. I know. Yes, no. Oh my god. Kind of. No. I have a better one for you. And you could just write like a bunch of options. And then just other. Okay, and then you just make the size smaller, like way smaller. And there you go. That's done. And for the menu, I'm going to do that in a separate video because it takes forever to do it. So yeah, then you go onto color tone and you import your video and you edit and you put the filter Avalon to 25. Then you save it. And then I'm going to show you guys how, like right now, yes, I'm going to show you guys how to do the, hold up, let me just delete this. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys how to do like the blur at the beginning of the video because it's requested, I guess. So you go into Prequel or whatever, and you import your video, and and then like on the side, there should be a button that says, intro. So you click that, and then you just scroll until you see this one, iris blur. And then it should just make it, you can use any of them. You can use like zoom, you can use iris blur. That's the one that I like to use. It just keeps your account more organized because like if you switch themes, it's like really hard to tell, kind of. And there you go. That's done. So that's your new theme. And I'll show you guys how to do the menu in a separate video because it takes like quite a while. Because the way I do it takes quite a while, but it's just more easier for me. Like, hold up, let me just show you. I just make stickers of it, so it's easier to just put on your videos. But yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.